What's up guys? Today I'm going to put to the test tailgate tire table. Let's see how it works. So probably self-explanatory. I have Acura SUV. Let's see if it will work with the Acura. So I'll spin this a little so that way it can extend behind the tire, and then when you don't spin this, I guess, there you go. Depends how big your tire is. I guess you wanna pull it up tight and then screw this up. Okay. I guess I'll pull on this one, make sure it's all tight, and then screw these things down. Let's see if it's steady. Oh wow, it's quite steady, I like it. So it looks pretty steady. I wouldn't sit on it or anything, but it is quite short table, especially for tall guy like me. You will need low rise chair, just like on that picture. Good thing I already have one of those folding chairs. Just take it out from your SUV, truck, whatever. Oh yeah, look at that. This is quite comfortable, as long as you have a small low rise chair. This is actually very nice. I'm super tall, so there you go. Even a 6'7" guy like me could actually kind of enjoy it. I wouldn't sit it in it maybe too here. I guess I could next to other person, hopefully smaller person than me. Yeah, I think it's more comfortable if I'm sitting to the side like that and have a bunch of stuff out here that I want to lay it down. It's pretty cool for tailgating for sure. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? Obviously really easy to break it down as well. Once you figure it out a couple of times how to work it, it's pretty easy. Look at that. Take it off. Okay, if you have a tall truck, this length can extend. Very cool. Lock it in. Close it. Done. Throw it into your SUV or truck. Let me know. Very weird tailgating table. Everybody have those folding chairs. You know, this one is a giant one. I love it. Wanted to feature it in my video again. I love this folding chair. A lot of you probably haven't seen it. Or you might have average size or the mini one. Boom. Everybody have this. You go to the concert or whatever. Depends which one you like, a giant one, medium, or a tiny one, or a bench. But what a lot of people don't know, there is also out there you can buy folding table. Boom. How cool is that? I didn't expect to have these things. I thought it would be loose. This is actually high quality. If you push it quite tightly, and you don't have to worry about putting like drinks in here and bottles. You can just put cup holders in here and use it as like a plain cards table, or put a plate on here. It's not gonna spill over. I love it. This is so unique. Obviously won't work with this giant chair as much. Maybe like a, I don't know, leg stand. But for those medium size chairs or tiny chairs, would be perfect. Look, you can even eat off of this. Or if you have medium sized chair or regular one, you can play cards with them, even more comfortable in my opinion. Got my Gatorade, and look at that. I wouldn't set it like that, especially open one, because I would be worried about this thing falling over. But as you can see, it's not too much of a problem. I could honestly have a plate here, eat, set stuff up, play cards. And also the best part is, right here, there's a cup holder in front of everybody's pocket. And so you don't have to worry about getting confused because it has a table on it. I like it. Open it up. So it comes with one of these netted side on one side. So that way, in case it gets wet, it doesn't get stinky. So let's pull this out. I assume this is the legs. Yeah. And this is right here is the actual table. This is a brand new item. Okay. Bunch of rubber pieces bolted together. Whoa. So let me show you one more time. You pull it like that and flip this over. I guess it goes in here and then pushes up. Same thing right here. Goes in and up. Nice. Now let's figure this out real quick. Okay, this part should be very simple. You see the pipe over here, it pops into here. That's it. Wow, cool. And then it unfolds, and on this side as well, you pop this table into here. Wow, so nice. Now you have a really tiny, very comfortable table. This is really cool. George, check out this table, and you can lift it, put it together. Don't lift it on the sides. Honestly, it's still fine. Just lift it to this side so that way it doesn't come off. I wouldn't sit on it, but as you can see, if you put teapots and stuff like that, that's amazing. You can grab it, lift it, move it around. Wow. I thought at first, should I make a video of that? But you know what? Now that I'm putting it together and now taking it apart, definitely so. Look how fast it is to put it together. Done. Pull this up, flip it over. Pull this up, flip it over, push it together and put it into your bag and you're all set. That's definitely perfect for RVs and van life. I wouldn't hike with that for a very long time, but base camp is perfect.